are the very vital, most important component of nutrient, and which is required by our body in very minute amount or the vital amount. Okay. So these vitamins is any group of organic compounds which are essential for normal growth, nutrition, and are required in a small quantities in diet because they cannot be synthesized by our body. This vitamins word or the term is coined in 1911 by the Warsaw born biochemist, that is the Casimir Funk, 1884 to 1967. They cannot be synthesized by the body, so must be obtained by outside source like diet, human bacteria, and the sunlight. These are the natural sources which provide us the vitamins. Then these vitamins are required for the growth, maintenance, reproduction, and the lactations process. So here is the classification of these vitamins. This flowchart contain the detailed classification of these vitamins. These vitamins are classified into on the basis of their solubility into two groups. First is the fat soluble, next is the water soluble. First is the water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. And the water soluble vitamins is non B complex vitamin, which includes the vitamin C, and the B complex vitamins, which again classified into two groups, that is energy releasing and the hematopoietic vitamins. These energy releasing compounds or the energy releasing vitamins are the thiamine, that is vitamin B1, riboflavin vitamin 2 or the B2 vitamin, niacin is the B3 vitamin, then pyridoxine B6 vitamin, biotin B7 vitamins, and pantothenic acid, that is B6. Then these hematopoietic vitamins, folic acid B9, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin as vitamin B12. These are the detailed classification of your vitamins. Then water soluble vitamins. These water soluble vitamins having these typical characteristics, that is the soluble in aqueous solution, and these vitamins are used as a cofactors by many enzymes for their preparation synthesis of these enzymes. These vitamins are used as a cofactors, and the special feature of these water soluble vitamins is not stored in our body. So these vitamins and their functions. First is the water soluble vitamins and their coenzymes and the functions. The vitamin B1, that is the thiamine. The coenzyme of vitamin B1 is the thiamine pyrophosphate. Decarboxylation is the function of this vitamin B1. Then B2, riboflavin, the flavin adenine dinucleotide FAD, and the flavin mononucleotide FMN are the function having the electron transfer. Then niacin, that is the vitamin B3, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NAD, and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphates, that is NADP. These are the energy releasing compounds in the process of the oxidation and the reduction. Then pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, coenzyme A, and the function is the acetyl group transfer. Then pyridoxine, vitamin B6, having the coenzyme pyridoxal phosphates, and these pyridoxal phosphate having the function the transmission. The next is the cobalamin, vitamin B12. B12 methylcobalamin having the coenzymes, and its function is the methyl group transfer. Next is the ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid means your vitamin C, and the coenzyme is the vitamin C. The function of this vitamin C is the collagen synthesis and the healing of the wounds. Then biotin, the biotin having the coenzymes biocytin, and this biocytin having the functions the carboxylations. Then last one is the folic acid. Folic acid having the coenzymes tetrahydrofolate, and this tetrahydrofolate having the functions the methyl group transfers. Then next is the fat soluble vitamins. The fat soluble vitamins are the A, D, E, K, and these vitamins are soluble in lipids but not in aqueous solution as like with water soluble vitamins. And these fat soluble vitamins are essential or important in the vision, bone formation, antioxidant formation, and the blood clotting. As we know that the vitamin K is very essential for the blood clot formation, and these vitamins are stored in the body if we are taking excess in quantity, but in case of water soluble they cannot be stored in our body. Thank you.